In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. In this rapidly evolving landscape, identifying the fastest-growing business ideas can be the key to unlocking a world of opportunities. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest business trends and insights. Today, we are diving into a topic that holds immense importance in the world of entrepreneurship, the fastest-growing business ideas. We understand the constant struggle many of you face when trying to find your niche or expand into new ventures. That is why we have taken the time to compile a list of 9 fastest-growing business ideas that have the potential to skyrocket your success. But before we delve into these game-changing ideas, we want to remind you that your support means everything to us. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you find value in today's content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your engagement helps us continue delivering top-notch business insights. Now, let's dive right in and explore the fastest-growing business ideas that could be the game changers you've been waiting for. The first one is solar energy. As environmental concerns and sustainability take center stage, solar energy has emerged as a blazing hot industry. Investing in solar panel installation or manufacturing is not only lucrative, but also contributes to a greener future. With governments worldwide offering incentives for renewable energy adoption, the solar industry is poised for continued growth. According to a report by Grandview Research, the global solar energy market size was valued at $236.4 billion in 2022 and is projected to expand at a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 7.4% from 2023 to 2030. This growth is driven by increasing government initiatives for renewable energy adoption, technological advancements in solar energy conversion efficiency, and declining prices of photovoltaic cells. So, if you're considering venturing into the solar energy sector, it's an opportune moment. By tapping into this booming industry, you can position yourself for success while contributing to a sustainable future. Next up is artificial intelligence AI. Artificial intelligence is another fastest-growing business idea. AI has revolutionized various sectors and has massive potential for growth. Investing in AI-powered products or services such as chatbots, data analysis tools, or personalized learning platforms can lead to significant returns. The rise of large language models, LLMs, and other AI technologies has opened up a plethora of opportunities for entrepreneurs. According to Markets and Markets, the AI market size is projected to grow from $78.05 billion in 2023 to $267.07 billion by 2028 at a staggering compound annual growth rate of 39.7%. The increasing adoption of AI across industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail, coupled with advancements in machine learning and deep learning, is fueling this growth. Whether you're developing AI-driven solutions for businesses or creating AI-powered consumer products, the future looks bright for those who embrace this transformative technology. Let's move on to e-commerce. E-commerce continues to be a thriving industry with immense growth potential. Starting an online store allows you to reach a global audience and offers flexibility and scalability. The e-commerce market is showing no signs of slowing down. Another one is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has become a powerful force in shaping consumer behavior and has emerged as a lucrative business avenue. Brands are increasingly collaborating with influencers to promote their products and reach target audiences. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, influencer marketing is estimated to be a $1.6 billion industry in 2023. With more consumers relying on social media for product recommendations and purchasing decisions, influencer marketing is poised for continued growth. If you have a strong social media presence and a knack for building relationships, this industry may be worth exploring. Moving on to virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are creating immersive experiences that blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. Opportunities abound in developing VR or AR applications for various sectors such as gaming, healthcare, and education. According to Markets and Markets, the VR market size is expected to grow from $4 billion in 2023 to 25, $3 billion by 2028 at a compound annual growth rate of 26.9%. Advancements in wearable devices and the increasing adoption of VR in industries such as manufacturing and retail are driving this growth. Similarly, the AR market is projected to grow from $5 billion in 2023 to 36. Next is cybersecurity. As our reliance on technology grows, so do the threats to our data and systems. Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand to safeguard against cyber attacks, data breaches, and online fraud. According to Cybersecurity Ventures, the cybersecurity industry is expected to have over 3.5 million unfilled jobs through 2025. This growth is fueled by the increasing frequency and sophistication of cyber attacks, as well as the expanding digital footprint of businesses and individuals alike. Whether you specialize in network security, ethical hacking, or risk management, there is a growing need for your expertise in this rapidly evolving field. Next up is 3D printing. 3D printing has evolved into a versatile manufacturing process with applications spanning from prototyping to end-use products. Investing in 3D printing services or developing innovative products through additive manufacturing can lead to substantial growth. According to Bloomberg, the 3D printing market is expected to reach $46 billion by 2026, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 16.5%. The growing adoption of 3D printing across industries, including aerospace, automotive, and healthcare, is driving this growth. Advancements in 3D printing technologies and the ability to create complex designs with greater efficiency are opening up new possibilities for businesses and consumers. Moving on to subscription boxes. Subscription boxes offer a curated selection of products delivered regularly, providing customers with a hassle-free discovery of new items. The subscription box model has gained immense popularity across various niches, including beauty, food and beverage, and fitness. According to Revenue Impact, the subscription box industry is expected to grow from $12.6 billion in 2023 to $19.4 billion by 2025. This growth is driven by the convenience and personalized experience offered by subscription boxes, as well as the rise of e-commerce and the sharing economy. If you can identify a niche market with unmet needs and curate a compelling box of products, you could tap into this flourishing industry. Finally, we have drone technology. Drones have evolved into sophisticated tools with applications ranging from aerial photography and videography to package delivery and agricultural monitoring. Investing in drone manufacturing, service, or software development can position you for success in a rapidly growing market. According to Markets and Markets, the commercial drone market is expected to grow from 4. So there you have it, 9 fastest-growing business ideas that hold immense potential for success. From solar energy and artificial intelligence to e-commerce and influencer marketing, each industry offers a unique opportunity to thrive in the ever-evolving business landscape. Remember, the key to success lies in identifying your passions and expertise and then diving headfirst into the fastest-growing areas that align with your skills. Embrace the challenges, stay adaptable, and always keep an eye on emerging trends. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Which of these fastest-growing business ideas excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your network. By doing so, you'll not only spread the knowledge but also support us in reaching more entrepreneurs like you. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. We've got more insightful content coming your way, so stay tuned by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Until next time, keep pushing your boundaries, stay curious, and never stop believing in your entrepreneurial spirit. Wishing you all the best in your business endeavors. See you in the next video.